Hello, it's Jody here, and in this video I'm just going to show you inside one of the Bitsgap accounts. This one's very close to me because it's my mum's account. She's only got the basic account, which enables her to have two bots running. So in answer to some of the questions that we've been getting about how do these automated grid bots actually work, and can you get your profits out, and how can you work it all out type of thing, I just wanted to show you a couple of aspects of the software. So here on this particular bot here, it's had an average daily earning rate of 0.65% a day, and we're literally one day off 3 months. So this is a great example. This is more realistic than this one. This is a little bit of a unicorn. It doesn't happen often to have a bot that's running for 3 months still earning 1.37%. It's not to say it doesn't happen. It does. We're looking at it, but it's not the norm. Okay, so just to show you on this one, which is a more realistic actual, what's been earned, let's just have a look over here on the right to actually see where this money is. So you can see that the balance here is on the right hand side $1,859, and it says here in trades 3,276. So the trades happen, and literally the profits get spat out over here into what's called the available balance. And this amount here is not exactly the same as the bot profit, because when you actually set up a bot, it won't allow you to put 100% of your money in. It only allows you to put in 95%. So if we actually just calculate that, let's just move this in here, 1859 multiplied by 0.95 as the 95%, 1,766. So that's close enough. It's about $10 off. So depends on what the actual initial price is, because when you're setting that, you've got like this little sliding scale thing, so it may not have been exactly $3,000, but that profit is available. And what she's actually done, so this bot is running 2 coins, and she's already traded some out and bought another couple of coins, and she's preparing to make a withdrawal of some USDT. So it's all available there, and I've told her not to get rid of her Bitcoin, obviously, because Bitcoin's going to go up, but what she can do is, with this available money, is transfer it over into an interest-bearing wallet. So that's how it works. You can withdraw. You just need to find the right exchange that will allow you to withdraw. But one other thing I wanted to show you is just this quick calculator. So looking at 0.65% daily, if we just multiply that by 30 days, 19.5% for the month. Okay, so that's been, the average over 3 months. So let's just come over here and have a play with this very cool little spreadsheet, this calculator that one of our community members for Inside the Plan actually created, just to have a play with. And it just helps people sort of understand, what can happen with getting into crypto, and of course that element of being able to pull it out whenever you like. So in my mum's case, she started with 2 bots, which is always a good idea to have at least the start of a portfolio. It wasn't quite $6,000 that went in, it was a little bit less, but by having at least 2 bots, then if one of them doesn't perform quite as well as the other one, you get this sort of averaging out. But we worked out that what she has done over the last 3 months is had a 19.5% profit. And she is very interested in taking a withdrawal. So she's already taken one $500 withdrawal. But let's say that you want to, leave it run for at least a couple of months. So we'll leave it there for 2 months and not start taking money out until after the 2 months. Have a look at these figures. This is crazy. So the total money withdrawn is $11,500 for a 2-year period. And the asset value, due to the compounding, is going to come out as a total of $363,000 in a 2-year period. So let's say mum actually wanted to take a big chunk of money out, about a year down the track or 9 months down the track. She needs to take a holiday or do something. Let's take out $5,000, and it automatically calculates back to sort of what you're still going to have at the end of 2 years. So it's kind of insane. But yeah, this is a tool that we're actually providing for everyone who's joining the plan through our exclusive bonuses. You'll be able to get access to this on top of our Slack community and weekly bot buddy huddles. So we all get together and share our coin pairs and you know, get on the journey together. So that's it. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. Shoot a message to me or come and join our Facebook group, which is Crypto Kindy, and you'll find the links below this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.